And hopefully we can build on this.
The Missouri High School State Wrestling Championships are underway. KOMU8's Patrick McGovern tells us how the Fulton Hornets are swarming to Columbia this weekend.
Easy isn't a word in the Fulton Hornets wrestling team's vocabulary. The Hornets head to Mizzou Arena for the Missouri High School State Championships with not a few wrestlers, but
11 guys is quite a bit to bring to the state tournament. We brought 12 last year, and we did just fine, so I think it'll help a lot with our point standings at the end.
Coach Eric Hudson has been a part of the Fulton wrestling program for the past 12 years, 10 of them as head coach. He believes the team has a strong shot at bringing the championship back to Fulton.
It's the culmination of everybody working together, hard work, being good wrestling partners, all the hours they've spent drilling, working out. So it's a testament to the team and the work that they've put in.
After a fourth place finish in 2014 and a second place finish in 2015, the Hornets look to do something they haven't done since 1981. Write their names on this board as state champions.
We were pretty upset after last year. It was really close. So it kind of just rekindled a flame that we had last year, and it made us even more hungry to get it this year after feeling what it felt like to come up that short.
This is our year to get it. We've been so close the last 3 years, and we feel like this is a year that we're going to pull it off.
The Hornets come packed with large groups of seniors, 8 of them, who will be wrestling their last matches as high schoolers, some who have wrestled almost their entire lives.
It started when I was 4 years old.
About 13 years, yeah.
But these guys know that they have to win their first matches to make it to the big final.
Just take one step at a time, win your little battles.
Worked hard all year, and we think we got the kids physically and mentally prepared to go. It's just time to go over there and take care of business.
Now there's one thing for the Hornet faithful to do: believe in their guys.
You never really know until Saturday night.
Patrick McGovern, KOMU8 Sports, Fulton.
The Hornets look to strike back after finishing state runner-up last year to Oak Grove High School. We'll have highlights tonight from the first night of state wrestling at 10. Fulton with 11 wrestlers, Jefferson City 11, Mexico has qualified 10, so a lot of local schools in the mix for state titles. That's sports.